Yo, what's up? What's going on with y'all today? It's another beautiful day given by God, of course. Profitable on the day, just won my trade. Um, yeah, man, had a pretty good day. Woke up, prayed, traded, didn't work out yet. But I'm gonna get to that. But I just want to go ahead and talk to you guys about something, right? You're not gonna win every trade, and that's okay. You're not going to win every trade, and that is okay. Listen, man. I know when you guys get into the game, man, and you guys start getting into your first couple of wins and you guys start getting in your first win streak, you guys might win 4 trades in a row, 3 trades in a row, 5 trades in a row. Your ego's going to be very inflated when that does occur, right? You're going to feel very prideful. You're going to feel like, oh man, I'm the king of the world. I just won all my trades back to back to back to back to back. I can't lose. But you guys cannot ever forget that at the end of the day, this is a probability game. And this is a probability game, and that means that you don't have any control whether or not we win or lose. All we can do is get in at the key institutionalized levels where there's high amounts of volume, whether you guys are playing a reversal or a breakout. That's all we can do. That's it. And set our stop loss and have our risk management in place. Other than that, thinking we have the ability to control whether or think we know if the candles are going to go up or down, like we kind of do, but realistically we don't. So set up your take profit, set up your risk management, and then you guys are going to be able to go ahead and get into a thought process of, even if I lose this trade, if say I'm on $1,000 account, right, and I play for a 1 to 3 risk reward. Even if I lose this trade, it's not that deep. I lost $100. But my next win is going to be $300 if I play for a 1 to 3, or $400 if I play for a 1 to 4. You'd have to lose another 4 times to make up for one win. So one win makes up 4 losses. One win, if you're playing for a 1 to 4 risk reward ratio and you hit take profit, you have to lose 4 times to lose all of that profit. And if you guys go on a win streak, do you think you're going to lose 4 times in a row? Say you do. Fine. And then your next trade, you win. And then you win after that. You're still profitable off of just 2 trades. And you literally lost 4 trades in a row. And off of 2 trades, your account was back. Say you win again. Boom. Now you're profitable again. Say you lose 2, and then win again. Boom. Now you're growing. Now you're up $600. And that's worst case scenario. You're most likely not going to lose 4 trades in a row, especially if you have a pretty good system and you know what you're doing. Yeah. But don't expect anything in this game, right? Only God knows. So, guys, you got to stop beating yourself up when you lose. It's way too many of you who just feel like the world is going to end. It's way too many of you who put yourself in a mental trap and a season of depression because you're beating yourself up because of your losses. And your losses, honestly, if your losses are affecting you like that, that means your risk management is off. It's off. Because if you have $1,000 account and you lose $400 in one trade, you're going to feel some type of way. Now you have $600 left. Your risk management is all the way off. Okay? So work on that. Work on your risk management. You guys should be knowing exactly what you're going to pretty much lose per trade. And go ahead and calculate that with your account size. You should never lose more than 10% of your account per trade. Ever. Okay? You need to have a systematic plan in place each and every single trade that you take. You need to know your take profits. You need to know when you're going to get out. Because another way that people lose is they let their trades go from green to red. Don't do that. Don't be like those people. Don't be like the people who caught AMC, GME, Bitcoin from the lows, any crypto from the lows, with PayPay, Doge. And these people didn't close. These people were up such a substantial amount of money and didn't end up closing. And that's going to eat up your soul if you continue to do stuff like that. So don't do it. Take your profits and get off. Get off and come back the next trade. Risk a little bit, make a lot, get off. Rinse and repeat. That's it. Stop putting yourself in a predicament where you're making yourself depressed because of a loss. Losing is a part of this game. And really, to become a profitable trader, you have to understand that becoming the best loser is really where the divide is. You know, think about Naruto. Think about the normal people with the Sharingan, right? And then think about people who have the Rinnegan. There's a great divide there. There's a very good divide. But the people with the Rinnegan are patient. They're waiting for the setups. They have risk management in place. You got to grind and go through it to get the Rinnegan. You don't just get Rinnegan, right? I think Pain might have spawned with it. Or not. I don't know. Y'all get it, though. All right? But then people with normal Sharingan, retail traders, right? We'll just call them retail traders. We're all technically retail traders unless you're a hedge fund manager or something like that. But still, people who just don't really know what they're doing. They're buying wherever. They're buying in the middle. They're buying off of hype. They're hearing, oh, GameStop's supposed to go up. Let me just buy. They don't know how to read the chart. A lot of cringe going on over there. You know, a lot of cringe. So you want to stay away from the cringe and don't be a part of it, man. Losing is a part of the game, and you have to be able to control your emotions in the midst of battle. You know, if you're in battle and you lose your close homeboy, you lose your best friend, you still have to continue to fight the war. You can't stop mid-war and be like, dang, I'm done. This is making me sad. Like, no. I promise you, no matter what you guys are going through, whether it's losses in trading, whether it's loss of a family member, whether it's loss of a relationship, whether they pass away, unfortunately, may Allah bless their hearts, or you guys just ended up falling out with somebody. It's the same thing. You have to continue to push forward, no matter any loss that you take on earth. And that's the point. I truly believe that's the point of God, because God gives us something to run to when we need to vent. Well, that's the point of praying, when we need to ask. You know, we don't want to rely on other people. We want to be able to rely on ourselves. But sometimes we really do need that higher power. And God is there for us, guys. God is there for us. So make sure you guys are staying prayed up for sure, because he's going to get you guys out the heat of the battle. You know, that I really do believe that's the point of God. When you guys are in the deepest, darkest moments, you have nothing to look to. I promise you, if you guys just pray, keep studying your charts, change everything you're doing. If you guys are playing reversals and you're not profitable, start playing breakouts. All right? Change up your strategy, change up what you're doing, and get focused, because it's time to start changing our lives now. With the way the world is heading to, life is only getting more expensive, and you don't want to be on the opposite end of the spectrum. Okay? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay prayed up with God. Take care of your families. Inshallah. I love y'all. Peace out.